In the endless void of space, two colossal galaxies drift silently toward each other. Stars shimmer, dust glows faintly, and the universe holds its breath for the cosmic collision that is about to unfold. The Milky Way stretches across endless darkness. Stars shimmer softly, nebula dust drifts gently, and the universe holds its breath, waiting for the first cosmic stirrings. Andromeda glows faintly in the void, spiral arms extend gracefully, star clusters flicker, and gravity slowly draws the galaxies toward an inevitable encounter. The galaxies approach, arms beginning to align. Gas streams and star clusters trace invisible paths in a cosmic dance billions of years in preparation. Gravity subtly stirs surrounding space. Stars shift, dust swirls, and light bends as the void responds to the pull between these colossal galaxies. A luminous bridge of gas and dust stretches between the galaxies. Stars flow along its length, forming a radiant pathway of cosmic energy. Stars and gas clouds begin to drift along the cosmic bridge. Trails of light mark their movement, flowing naturally from one galaxy to the other under the silent pull of gravity. The spiral arms of both galaxies begin to intertwine. Dust lanes and star streams overlap gracefully, creating a majestic cosmic pattern that hints at the immense forces at play. Bright starbursts ignite within the merging regions. Luminous knots appear, illuminating surrounding gas clouds as new stars emerge in a brilliant display of cosmic creation. The galactic cores draw closer, their gravity compressing nearby stars and gas. Light bends subtly, and the surrounding space begins to ripple under the weight of these colossal structures. First, luminous sparks erupt between the approaching cores. Glowing filaments ripple across the cosmic bridge, signaling the release of energy and the imminent, monumental interaction of the galaxies. Bright sparks erupt as the galaxies collide. Particles, stars, and gas streams cascade in brilliant arcs, radiating immense energy across the cosmic void in a spectacular display of power. The luminous bridge pulses with radiant energy. Star streams and gas ribbons surge along its glowing length, connecting the galaxies and channeling the unstoppable flow of cosmic forces. As merging continues, a central glowing core forms. Stars, gas, and dust swirl together, radiating light and energy, signaling the birth of a magnificent new galactic entity. A radiant halo of energy now envelops the merged core. Pulsing waves of light flow outward, intertwining with spiral arms and the luminous bridge, creating an awe-inspiring cosmic spectacle. The final cosmic panorama stands revealed. Core, halo, and spiral arms dominate the frame. Stars and dust shimmer and flow, a testament to the immense power and majesty of cosmic evolution.